Your partner says Messi is better than Ronaldo and won't debate on it.
Deal breaker.
Let her think it, but the world knows.
Ronaldo is very hardworking, very disciplined, but Messi has something जो achievable नहीं है. Messi is the god.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Love in the City with me, Kashish. As you can see, I am on a football turf because hello, football season. What's something you can say on a football ground and to your partner?
I can go full 90 minutes by giving
Okay. That was a nice one. And also to see if these footballers have more game in dating or on the field. Acha, what's your best pickup line?
Do you play football?
No. Maybe I don't want to play football.
Then I don't want to use a pickup line on you.
So we'll be talking about deal breakers, love languages. What is one thing football has taught you about love?
Not giving up. I am a defender, so I don't give up on the ball.
I think to stand up for another person.
And how romantic these people are and passionate, both in love and on the ground. Are you still nervous?
Oh yeah. Because
थोड़ा खुल जाओ ना
I
ऐसे.
had no idea and I
ऐसे
haven't
खुल
even
जाओ.
warmed up yet.
थोड़ा सा ऐसे ऐसे कर लो ना, nervous नहीं होना. Okay. So let's go and see some drama.
Vamos!
Hi, what's your name?
Hello, I'm Daksh.
My name's Pranav.
What's your name?
Abhishek.
Do you know what's happening?
No idea. No idea.
And how old are you?
Guess.
26?
No. I'm
27?
way younger.
Oh, you're younger?
I'm 22.
You're 22?
Yeah.
27.
Yay, yikes. Let's play a game. What's something you can say on a football ground and to your partner?
Let's move forward. We need to pick up the pace.
I can go full 90 minutes by giving
Okay. That was
Love
a nice
affection.
one.
Time to go hard.
I like my shots curved.
Okay.
And my girlfriend also curvy, so. Curves it is.
That's a good one.
I
That's a
love
good
curves.
one. If your dating personality was a football position, तो वो क्या है?
a defender, जो मेरी actual position भी है game में.
Oh.
I will always protect my girl. My friend tells me that कि भाई तू रामोस है. Either you kill the man or you take the ball.
So she's like that goalkeeping position and I'll be striker. I fumble a lot. हर चीज़ में मैं बहुत fumble करता हूँ. But she saves सब कुछ.
A defender, I'd say center back.
Huh?
Yeah.
Why?
A lot more laid back, but you know when there's pressure, you know how to stay calm and take care of the situation.
A fullback.
Fullback. What's that?
Fullback is basically a person who does the defense, the attack, the mid. Basically, the person does everything.
Okay. अच्छा, teach me your favorite football move.
अभी ball तो है नहीं.
ऐसे ही बता दो.
Just like a pull back.
So then you pull it back.
You just pull it back.
So what's your best pickup line?
Can I tie your shoelace? Because I don't want you to fall for someone else. So yeah.
That's
just
a
remember,
good one.
yeah, just remember looking at my laces.
Man.
Yeah.
I'm like Michael Olise. I do my talking on the pitch. मैं थोड़ा सा pickup line वाला guy हूँ नहीं. I'm like यार थोड़ा बात
फिर आप
करते
कैसे
हैं.
वाले गाय हैं?
I've tried a couple of pickup lines in my past and it didn't work out.
What was that?
And ChatGPT just like,
ChatGPT use कर रहे हो तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती?
actually it's right, like it didn't work out in the past.
Okay, so I am in front of you. Try
Then
something.
Start with ChatGPT.
No. Be creative. Use your brain.
वो सुंदर इतनी लगती थी.
इतनी प्यारी थी वो.
हाँ, एक
तो दिल से निकलती थी तारीफें.
there
हाँ?
was to this ground, like this ground is beautiful and मतलब वो भी ऐसी है मतलब this like this ground एकदम clear pitch, beautiful lighting and एकदम सुंदर ऐसे she is एकदम सुंदर.
Wow
But
यार.
You look like a sporty girl. Like, do you play some sports?
Yeah.
What sport do you play?
Badminton.
How good do you think you are?
I'm good.
Like in
I
what
can beat a
comparison?
tennis player.
Actually, I play tennis. Do you want to try like some badminton sometime?
Yeah. Okay. But that was not a pickup line though. But I think it was good.
Yeah.
Nah. Okay. So you know how to talk. That's important.
Do you play football?
No.
You never played football? Why not?
I don't know how to play.
Well, I can teach you when you're free.
Maybe I don't want to play football.
Then I don't want to use a pickup line on you.
My weirdest pickup line was telling her about United because I'm a diehard United fan. I think. Yeah. Cool. I find you pretty cute.
Okay.
Do you have a time for a cup of coffee? Maybe we can get to know each other more.
Okay. ठीक है. I think it was nice. Whoa. What is one thing football has taught you about love?
Be consistent while you're training yourself. You're working on your skills, your physique. Similarly, working on a relationship, so putting the efforts.
Not giving up. I am a defender, so I don't give up on the ball.
It's a teamwork. Like one person can't do everything. You both figure out what you need to do, what is the problem, and you need to understand and then go about it. And it's about fun actually. It's not just very serious about winning or losing. It's just you just enjoy the whole part.
I think to stand up for another person.
Not giving up, I would say. Basically, मैं Messi fan हूँ, and I've seen the 2010s to 20s जहाँ पे he went into every final and lost. Still, the guy didn't give up. So even today, like what, I've got a ligament tear in my wrist, ACL injury in my knee, and तब भी I'm like, let's play.
Tabhi you were playing, so you won't give up in your relationships.
No.
And in your efforts.
Dedication,
Be
composure.
unique. Oh, composure.
हाँ, क्यों नहीं?
Composure कैसे सिखा दिया?
काम रहना पड़ता है ना.
Oh,
बहुत
calm and
situations में.
compose. What's an instant red card for you in a girl?
Supporting Manchester City, Barcelona.
Okay.
If she says I don't watch football, yeah, it's an instant red card. I've come across so many of my friends, exes, or even my exes. They were like, "You football, कौन देखता है?" So
Cricket देखते हैं फिर?
I don't care क्या देखती है, but shouldn't hate football.
What if she doesn't understand it?
Then I come in, na.
Then you will teach her.
I'll teach her. We grow up together.
Apart from football?
मतलब you should be considerate about the other person. अगर आप वो नहीं हो तो that's a red flag and you're not a good person भी एक तरीके से.
I feel if she's not confident about herself, if she's always dependent on you and she can't be alone, if it is too much like you just watch the movie Obsession, and if it's
Obsession देखिए. So
if it's way
okay.
anything like her, then it's a red flag.
No, उतना तो नहीं होगा.
Completely different values. I think if I feel strongly about something that she does not understand or doesn't even think about, that's definitely a red card.
Her controlling nature.
Okay.
Ignoring my messages, even when I know she's online. Like, see, communication in a relationship and on the football pitch are like, I think, the most important thing.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I think good teams are made with good communication.
Yeah. बड़ी दुविधा थी. Real football players. दिल से. Woo. Let's play a quick game, ठीक है?
And I'm gonna miss the game. Okay.
नहीं अभी नहीं चालू हुआ. Okay, deal breaker or not? फटाफट करते हैं. Your partner supports your biggest rival club.
Not.
Not a deal breaker?
नहीं.
नहीं.
Personal choice.
It's not a deal breaker.
Okay, when she started watching football, she was like, "I like United, Man United, my rival, Man United." Oh, so if it would have been anybody else, it would be a deal breaker. But again, it's not a deal breaker.
That's fine. It's actually fun. थोड़ा banter
banter
होगा.
हो जाएगा.
Yeah, deal
खत्म
breaker.
कहानी भाई, ऐसे
खत्म,
कैसे
like,
भाई?
No, like please, like listen. Support United because us United guys are the most loyal. We have seen the heartbreak, we have seen the humiliation. So don't support my rival team.
Don't do that.
Glory, glory, Man United.
Your partner supports Argentina and says FIFA doesn't favor them.
Deal breaker.
हाँ.
Deal breaker है.
ना I'll convince her कि नहीं है.
नहीं अभी नहीं, you can't convince. It's like
ना deal breaker.
deal breaker भाई.
Blindsided.
Blindsided कहीं की.
It's not a deal breaker. No.
No, not
It's a bad opinion, but it's not a deal breaker.
Not a deal breaker.
ये जो सांस ली ना.
It's a deal breaker.
Deal breaker है
Yeah,
ना?
it's a deal breaker. It's a definite deal breaker.
That's fine with me. I'm an Argentina fan. There are a couple of calls जो मैं कहता हूँ कि बहुत गलत थी, like in the Egypt game, क्योंकि बहुत गंदी रेफरिंग हुई थी. But then it's a game. ऐसा नहीं कि वो पहली बार हो रहा है. It's been couple of times कि वो होता है.
She plans a mall date on a derby night.
Okay, that's a deal breaker. That's a deal breaker.
I mean, I'm just not going.
नहीं जा रहे?
दोनों बैठ के डाबी
नहीं वही तो बोल रही है, वो जाएगी मॉल डेट, तुम्हें भी लेके जाएगी, तो इज दैट अ डील ब्रेकर फॉर यू?
Not a deal breaker.
नॉट अ डील ब्रेकर.
Because then I can carry my phone so I can watch it. Last game for Classico was decider. No bro,
नॉट हैपनिंग.
not happening.
If she's planning a date फिर तो कुछ भी चलेगा.
कुछ भी चलेगा.
World Cup final
ठीक.
मिस हो जाएगा.
Deal breaker. See, if she values that I can't come, like she can go with her friends, then it's okay. And then she's making a problem about her friend. Yeah.
ओके.
नहीं, मतलब जाके भी उधर मैच ही देखूंगा, तो अगर उसको वो एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए तो ठीक है.
तो ठीक है, वरना देख ले अपना.
कल जाते हैं मॉल.
Like your partner always makes you choose between her and football.
Deal breaker.
भाई
Definitely deal breaker.
खत्म. डील ब्रेकर ये तो नहीं
Obviously,
होता.
अरे. No question asked.
Not a deal breaker.
It's fine.
It's
You
fine.
will choose her
I'll choose her
over football any day.
any day.
Deal breaker.
इतनी प्यारी प्यारी बातें करी है इसने. अब सब डील ब्रेकर है.
You can say कि भाई मुझे टाइम चाहिए whatever, I'll take it out. But saying कि यार फुटबॉल की जगह पे not happening bro.
Not
Never.
happening, bro. Bro बन गए हो तुम सीधा.
So my go-to football move is it's mastered by Iniesta. So it's a croqueta.
Croqueta.
Yeah.
Okay, क्या है? बताओ.
So you receive the ball. आपके सामने डिफेंडर है.
ठीक है.
And you just flick the ball with this foot.
Okay.
Then flick ahead with this foot
Okay.
and then just go off.
चले जाओ ball के साथ.
Yeah.
Your partner says that she doesn't care about football at all.
Deal breaker.
Deal breaker, खत्म कहानी.
Deal breaker.
Nah, deal breaker.
Deal breaker है.
Deal breaker. It's definite deal breaker.
No, not a deal breaker, but it's a little concerning. I mean,
Like, yeah, be considerate.
yeah.
है ना?
एक ही तो मतलब passion है ऐसे.
एक ये तुम वो भी support नहीं कर रहे. She thinks left wing is more important position than a defensive midfield.
Deal breaker.
Oh, wow.
Because I play that position, so yeah, deal breaker.
Deal breaker.
I'll teach her. She doesn't know everything about football. She likes football, but I'll teach her.
Your partner says Messi is better than Ronaldo and won't debate on it.
Deal breaker.
Let her think it, but the world knows. Soon.
Yeah, that's fine. Because in my opinion, Messi is the god.
Okay.
But Ronaldo is very hardworking, very disciplined. But Messi has something जो achievable नहीं है. So I think he has a slight edge. But अगर if Messi didn't exist, so Ronaldo would have been undebatable GOAT for me.
Okay, got it. So that was it, guys. Again on a Friday night, but what an amazing one. All of them were so high in love. कहीं ना कहीं football ने उनको help करी है in being a better partner or you know in a successful relationship. So maybe if you are struggling, just come play football or else just watch this video. This might help you, okay? But अब घर जाने की बारी आ गई है. So guys, if you like this video, share it with your friends. Comment below which one's your favorite go-to football move. Meanwhile, you can hit that subscribe button, comment, like, sub kar do, and just like keep watching my videos. Bye.